Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're coming to you with Window World Supply at the huge convention. Our OVA8 lineup, pole identifiers, clearly marked on every pole. We don't even offer the red hybrid poles. Too cheap of a material, not worth it for any service industry to use. Our trad poles are in the blue. It's still a full carbon pole, but at those lengths, you don't need it to add rigidity. And remember, in all of our oval poles, they're stronger than any round pole of the same material because of the design. Our water-fed poles only come in a silver or a gold material because they deserve and they need those colors to be durable in the field. So what we have is, here's our lineup, shows all of our poles here, and it's color coordinated to what material they're made out of. And here's the poles live. We have a 45 foot, and that comes in a 46T or a 30T. Our 46T is $1,600. That's a non-listed item. It's kind of a specialty pole for us. Your users at those heights will primarily buy those, but it's not an everyday for an everyday buyer. You must use them at that height to be worth paying that extra money. Otherwise, that 45 in a 30T is going to run you $900. We have the 35 standards. The black is a 30T and blue is a 40T. $600. $900, $300 extra to do that, upgrade that. Shorties are the same thing. Black is 30T, red is going to be 40T. You go from a $750 pole to the red is going to be $1,050. Trad poles, black and red, and you're getting a $130 black pole to $140 for the red. Yes, it's $10 more just to be colored pole. And these colored poles, it's only the base sections that are colored, but a lot of companies like them because it's just different. They like the color, something that separates them. Sometimes they want to set their employees up with color coordinated per employee. That's a look, OVA8 at the huge Window World Supply from Window Warriors Forum. It's out here.